You search for how to buy shares of El Pollo Loco Holdings Inc., a U.S. fast casual restaurant chain known for flame-grilled Mexican-style chicken. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LOCO. And this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to purchase shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LOCO to find the company listing. Make sure the search result shows El Pollo Loco Holdings Inc. so you locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information in the price chart. Confirm the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker is LOCO to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Investor Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order will be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.